In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best CNC router machine available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best CNC router machine. At number 5. 2-in-1 5500 MW 3018 Pro CNC Router Engraving Machine, GRBL 3-axis engraver wood plastic acrylic PCB PVC MDF carving milling with offline controller, CNC router bits, ER11 collects. Upgraded 3018 Pro CNC integrated driver chip plus fixed heatsink plus external fan plus sturdy casing to extend the life of the control board. Self-contained short circuit protection, not easy to damage. Manual download https://bit.ly/2zievbs. Easy to install. This 3018 Pro CNC router kit comes with paper instruction. Just follow the 8 steps to install. When installing the coupling, make sure that the blue coupling is tightened. 5500 MW module can carve the craft paper, wood, leather, wallet, bamboo, rubber. Repeat the engraving in the same position. You can cut through craft paper and thin woodboard. Super Screw can't engrave unpainted metal. Usage of 775 spindle can engrave on wood, plastic, acrylic and PCB engraving cutting. However, it can't carve hard metals, jade and other hard things. How to use 3018 Pro engraver can be controlled by GRBL software and offline manual control. If you are not familiar with CNC. At number 4. Weaver CNC Router Machine, 3018 Pro with GRBL offline control, limit switches and emergency stop, PCB PVC wood leather engraving machine, dustproof safe acrylic baffle, XYZ working area 300x180x 45mm GRBL offline controller. This cutting machine has an independent GRBL controller. The operable 1.8 display can adjust the XYZ axis and manually turn on or off the spindle. You can also connect it to a computer via the USB interface, implementing more steps. Double security design. This CNC router machine features 2 5mm acrylic baffles on each side, so you can safely monitor the engraving process and make cleanup more effortless to help contain dust and provide a safety barrier. High harness and precision. This CNC 3018 Pro is constructed with an aluminum alloy frame and 3 refined XYZ axes, featuring corrosion resistance and increased stability. Powerful spindle and stepper motors jointly forge such excellent cutting and milling performance, meeting your various requirements. Efficient pre-assembly. For your convenience, we have assembled the basic frame in advance to save your time. With the detailed user manual and assembly instructions, you only need to spend 30 to 60 minutes finishing the assembly. Extensive application. At number 3. Weaver CNC Router Machine CNC 1610 3-axis GRBL control with ER11 and 5mm extension rod for plastic acrylic PCB PVC wood carving. The ideas XYZ working area 160x100x 40mm CNC 1610 router machine. CNC 1610 Pro is an upgraded version of 1610 CNC. We provide a detailed user manual, assembly instructions, and installation video for your convenience. Assemble the engraver machine according to the installation instructions. You can enjoy the delight of engraving plastics, soft aluminum, acrylics, PVC, PCB, and many more. This product does not include a laser head and can be purchased by yourself. Large working area. The effective engraving area of this engraving machine is 6.3x x 3.9y x 1.8z inches. 3 refined axes are designed to achieve plane engraving. With the knob, the axis can be moved manually, which facilitates the carving tool settings. The driving units consist of stainless steel screw rods. It uses double copper nuts to clear round-trip errors. Excellent motor. This CNC engraving machine is equipped with 3-stepper motors 1.38, 12V, 0.25 Nm torque, and 775 DC 12 to 24V spindle motors with a rotational speed of 10,000 rmin. And the engraver supports Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux, macOS system, and other software to directly import .nc, .txt, .tape, .code format files for engraving. Upgraded control board. The integrated GRBL control features full functionality and stability. And the advantages of the offline controller lies in the following ones. 1. No need to connect to the computer. 2. Arbitrary selection of offline files for engraving. 3. Manually adjust the X, Y, and Z axis position as the engraving starting point. Manually turn on or off the spindle. Point 4. High precision, less than 0.003 inches. At number 2. Genmitsu CNC Router Machine Pro Verxel 4030 XYZ Working Area 400 x 300 x 110 mm, 15.7 x 11.8 x 4.3, plus ProVerxel 4030 Z-axis Extension Kit. Uprated accessories, expand from 4030 to 6060, 24 x 24. What you get: 1 PCS Genmitsu ProVerxel 4030, 1 PCS ProVerxel 4030 Z-axis Extension Kit. Easy to set up. The pre-assembled module of XYZ axis and wires dramatically reduces effort of assembly, allowing you to start carving your projects in less time. 3-month Carve Echo Maker subscription is included. Turning your ideas into the next fun project or your own work of art will be much easier with Carve Echo Maker. We will email you the subscription link after you place the order. More power, all new completely redesigned control box and drive system, beefy C-beam frame, precision NEMA 23-stepper motors, high power spindle and included adapter for a drop-in dual DWP 611. Upgrade. Precision and performance, rigid C-beam structure, lead screw driven, Y-axis dual screw drive, Z-axis optical axis drive delivers more stability than the traditional V-slot drive. It's ideal for an endless variety of cutting, drilling, and carving operations on various materials including wood, MDF, plastics, foams, vinyl, and aluminum. Pro Verxel 4030 Z-axis Extension. At last, number 1. FoxAlien Masuter 4040 CNC Router Machine Plus 2.4-inch touchscreen offline controller. This bundle includes a FoxAlien Masuter CNC router machine and an offline controller. Masuter 4040 is a cost-effective CNC router with large working area of 400 x 380 x 55 mm, 15.75 x 14.96 x 2.16. It uses a 60W spindle and NEMA 17-stepper motors. Max moving speed is 2000 mm min and spindle speed range is 0-10,000. Home function and emergency stop button are integrated on the machine. The machine will go to home with simply press the button. Masuter 4040 is capable to engrave, cut and drill many kinds of materials such as wood, MDF, acrylic, foam, resin, nylon, PCB, and aluminum. The offline controller has touchscreen control, simple and easy. Compatible with 3018 SE and Masuter CNC routers. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we help you in any